Hello and welcome to a presentation from Infocepts about our Pharma Sales Enablement application, which we built on the MicroStrategy platform using the new dossier technology. We begin with an overview of sales and incentives information, where basically on this page we provide a high-level view. We like the fact that this can be very visually appealing, where the first thing that might drive your eye towards the top left of the corner is the product performance and the colors that are available for you to use in your visualizations. So with this overview, the business user can get an overview of the market, total prescription volume, geographical share, also a view of the top 5 products that are providing contribution to the market. And as you can see, hovering over the different bars is going to give you the specific number behind the graph. On the top right side, we have call activity, which shows us how the sales team activity is impacting actual product performance. We also have the ability to select for any given product the top 5 contributing physicians and show us their specialty, volume, and contribution. The next section of the dashboard here shows you incentive compensation goal and how for each product the actual total prescription volume matches the set targets. So it's very easy to see how close those goals are being achieved. And then towards the bottom of the page, we have this bar which lets us see at a glance the final pay that is being provided to the sales reps. And we can see the breakdown of how it's actually composed of earnings, eligibility, and any additional earnings. So it's a great way to show in one concise screen all the relevant information that makes up that high-level view of the data. Now for starting to get a little bit into the details, now we have, for example, this that's been selected for a given geography, where we can see some of those key metrics of the total prescription volume, the share, and the growth. We also have indicators of the actual efforts versus results. So in this particular industry, it's measured by the volume of calls versus the volume of prescriptions, and we can see the numbers that actually are behind the graph. Different visualizations show you data in different ways. Here's another view of actual versus target for this particular geography, and also a top 3 competing products in that geography, again with some of the key metrics about volume, share, and growth. We have share battle information for the different products, where you can very quickly see what are those products that are leading the market in this particular geography. We also have a weekly view, and again, one of the nice things is that we don't have to be closing one report, opening another, or re-executing and reprompting, but because we know this is an analysis of interest, we simply have another page with information, and we can very quickly then access it and have it organized here. This is a very similar view to the monthly view, except we have it at a weekly level, where you can see that there's different week values behind each one of these bars now. Another important view in the pharma industry is the physician view, where we have that product analysis of total prescription volume for each given product, and also a breakdown of how those products are being prescribed for the different specialties and what the breakdown is of what percent of each specialty is the one responsible for the larger number of prescriptions. And then, of course, this is a physician view, so now we have a physician level detail that shows us, again, those KPIs of growth, share, market that are relevant for the analysis. Another view that may be interesting is an account view, where now we're looking at the different hospitals and clinics and the divisions within them that are making up some of the relevant data here for this product analysis. Now, at the account level, we can see the number of calls, the growth, the share, and market and product total prescription numbers that are relevant for the analysis. So you can start getting a picture how we're simply going to all the different dimensions that are interesting for the analysis, all in one concise package, organized logically by those chapters and pages. This final view is a quarter view analysis that shows us at a national and a regional level the percent to target pay, the projected pays, the goals and attainments. And we can see it also for a quarter total. And we have the ability to see it both on a word cloud, so that very quickly we can see what are the different portfolio attainment rankings that are being reached either at a national or regional level. And we have the ability to do a type of what if analysis with a payout simulator where a slider bar lets us change the value of those KPIs and let us understand what the impact would be for the payout and portfolio attainment. So in a nutshell, we hope that this illustrates the power of the MicroStrategy platform, the quality and level of sophistication that what can achieve in a dossier built application, and really the logical flow that you can give to your analysis when you organize it in this intuitive paradigm of chapters and pages. So we hope you enjoy this.